Apple readies iMessage for when quantum computers could break encryption. Apple announced today it is upgrading iMessage's security layer to post-quantum cryptography, starting in iOS and iPad OS 17.4, macOS 14.4, and watchOS 10.4. The technology giant said that in the coming years, quantum computers will be able to break today's cryptography standards. That's why Apple said it is changing how end-to-end encryption works with iMessage without the need for quantum-level processing power. Today's messaging apps use encryption typically through a pair of public and private keys. The public key is used to encrypt sent messages, and the private key is used by the receiver to decrypt a message, though much of this happens automatically and seamlessly. The cryptography used to scramble user messages today works by applying different math functions. The ability of malicious hackers to decrypt messages relies on the strength of the cryptographic cipher in use today, coupled with the raw computing power aimed at calculating every one of the cipher's mathematical combinations or permutations.